The interest you earn on a savings account is just silly these days. Did you ever wonder if there is a better alternative? I discovered a trustworthy place where you can have instant access to your money while earning substantial interest without the risk of volatility. What's up everyone? I'm Stevie and I started investing 2 months before the March 2020 crash. I learned a lot of lessons on the way and I want to share them with you because I believe everyone can become a millionaire. Please, make sure to show your appreciation by always smashing the like button. And make sure to watch until the very end where I will reveal how to earn 12% interest in a safe and reliable way. It will surprise you. It's always smart to keep some money aside for upcoming bills, emergencies, and unforeseeable expenses. This money must be readily available and its value must remain stable. It's a pity though that it sits there on your account collecting dust and maybe a few pennies. I like to put my money to work. So I looked further and found a solution. Let me introduce you to the Nexo Savings Wallet. The Nexo Savings Wallet is a blockchain-based savings platform, but unlike most, they allow you to earn high interest on multiple fiat currencies. Not just US dollars, but also euros and British pounds. However, if your preferred currency is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, or Hong Kong dollar, Celsius is the preferred choice. As my main currency is euro, I was not convinced to switch to the US dollar to earn more interest. The US dollar has declined about 10% in value compared to the euro in the last year. So I was very happy to discover that Nexo is offering a euro savings account. However, it is a bit different than a regular savings account. As you top up your euro balance, you automatically exchange the top-up amount's euro equivalents to euro X with a guaranteed 1-to-1 conversion rate to euro at all times. Topping up and withdrawing is free. Currently, the minimum amount per transfer you can deposit is 1,000 euro. However, you can withdraw for as little as you want. The interest rate is not as straightforward. It depends on 2 variables. The first variable is the loyalty level. There are 4 levels: base, silver, gold, and platinum. Based on your loyalty level, you receive a different interest rate. To reach a higher loyalty level, you need to hold a higher percentage of your portfolio in Nexo tokens. A Nexo token is an asset-backed security. It is backed by the underlying assets of Nexo's loan portfolio. For the platinum level, you need to hold at least 10% Nexo tokens in your portfolio. I like that they reward loyal customers. Oftentimes, companies attract new clients by giving them attractive benefits, while loyal customers are not rewarded. The second variable is the term. There are 2 different types of terms. The default term is flex, which means you always have instant access to your funds. But if you want, you can choose a fixed term, which means your funds are locked up for a predetermined period of time. In this case, the lockup period is 3 months. The fixed term will give you a higher interest rate. It is very easy to create a fixed term, so watch out which buttons you click, as you can have your funds locked up before you know it. Let's take a look at the different interest rates for fiat currencies. The base level yearly interest rate is 4%. Silver is 4.25%. Gold is 5%. Platinum is 6%. If you decide to create a fixed term, you receive 4% extra interest on top. So if you have the base loyalty level and you create a fixed term, you will receive 8%. If you have the platinum loyalty level and you create a fixed term, you will receive 10%. Your interest is paid out daily, but this doesn't help to increase your yearly interest rate, as this already is baked into the API calculation. Every day you receive a notification of your term deposit interest. By clicking the bell icon in the top right corner, you can see your notifications. I want to remark that when you create a fixed term, your interest is not available in your wallet even though it is paid out daily. This means your interest will only be available in your wallet at the end of the fixed term. As promised, I will tell you how to receive a 12% APY. It is very simple actually. By going into your settings and choosing to earn interest in Nexo tokens, you will receive a 2% bonus interest. So, if your loyalty level is Platinum and you create a fixed term and you choose to earn your interest in Nexo tokens, you will receive a 12% interest rate. The Nexo token also makes you eligible for a juicy 30% dividend. This dividend will be paid out once a year. 70% from Nexo's net profit will be reinvested back into the company to fund more crypto loans, and the fixed 30% from the net profit is paid out as dividend to Nexo token holders. As you can see, the profitability of this 12% interest plan is highly dependent on the value of the Nexo token and the net profit of Nexo. If the Nexo token increases in value, you will receive much more than just 12% interest. And if Nexo is able to deliver on the net profit, this will increase your return on investment even more. On the other hand, if the value of the Nexo token goes down and Nexo has a net loss, your return on investment will be less than 12%. If you don't buy any Nexo tokens, in my opinion, this is a low risk, high reward opportunity for cash you need available in the short term. However, without buying any Nexo tokens, you would need to wait at least 5 weeks to upgrade your loyalty level. If you want the Platinum level and therefore enjoy the full 12% interest, you will need to wait about 1 year. I personally believe both Nexo and the Nexo token have a lot of room for growth. So I made the decision to buy the necessary amount of Nexo tokens to enjoy the Platinum level. If you don't want anything to do with the Nexo tokens, you can still receive a juicy 8% interest rate on your fiat money. Not bad at all. Before you jump in and take the red pill, I believe it is very important to assess the risk of this opportunity. Can we trust Nexo with our money? And are they profitable? The company has been active since April 2018. Anthony Trenchev is the CEO and one of the 4 co-founders. He used to be a member of the advisory board of Credissimo, a leading European fintech group founded in 2007. Kosta Kanchev, one of the Nexo co-founders, is still listed as co-founder and president board member on the Credissimo website. Anthony Trenchev used to be a member of the Bulgarian parliament, and as the face of the company, he has been several times on CNBC, The Independent, and Bloomberg. After seeing 2 Ask Me Anything sessions, my trust and confidence in Nexo has increased. Nexo is a blockchain-based lending platform that offers instant cryptocurrency-backed loans. They make money with instant crypto credit lines. This means you can borrow money while they hold your crypto assets as collateral. The borrow interest rate varies between 11.9% and 5.9% depending on your loyalty level. They use a safe loan-to-value ratio, which is different for each crypto asset. There is a 83.3% threshold where assets from the savings wallet, if any, will be automatically moved to your credit line wallet, and if they are insufficient to cover the required loan-to-value, the collateralized asset will start being sold by the fully automated Nexo blockchain oracle to pay back part of the loan in order to rebalance the loan-to-value. As you can see, your funds are secured at all times by 100% asset-backed portfolios of over-collateralized loans. Moreover, Nexo's deleveraging and over-collateralization model was stress-tested like no bank has ever been during the 2018 crypto crash and again in the pandemic panic of 2020. Even though there is no bank deposit guarantee, the security of the assets held in your Nexo account is guaranteed by a $375 million custodian insurance policy and are held in multi-signature wallets and cold storage, which is cryptocurrency security standard level 3 as well as SOC2 compliant. The custodial insurance comes through partnerships with BitGo, Ledger Vault and others whose facilities are insured via Lloyd's of London and Arch and March. BitGo is the world's leading audited custodian. Nexo is in the process of acquiring banks in Europe and the US to bring clients even more protections and insurance currently available only through banks. Nexo aims to offer $1 billion in insurance by the end of 2021. In 2019, Nexo's information security management system has successfully been audited by CISQ. As a result, Nexo has attained the ISO IEC 27001-2013 certificate. It guarantees that Nexo's security infrastructure is of the highest standard, thus ensuring the safety of the enterprise and minimizing risks for all clients and investors. In November 2019, the smart contracts were independently audited by Castillo Network, which found no critical security issues. The company has a financial license in the Cayman Islands, but their offices are in Bulgaria. Currently, they have 40 openings, which is a sign they are expanding their business operations. They have several subsidiary companies registered, for example in the UK and Switzerland. This is likely to avoid unnecessary taxes. They are a private company, so their financials are not publicly available. But if we look at similar but publicly traded company like Voyager Digital, we can see they are making heaps of money. According to Nexo's website, they are holding over $12 billion of assets under management, and there are over 1 million Nexo users. Just a few months ago, they were holding $4 billion in assets under management. That is some tremendous growth. Another important aspect to analyze is the Nexo token. Let's go more in depth. If we rank all crypto assets by market cap, the Nexo token is currently ranked 70th. It has a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. Nexo is an ERC20 token issued on the Ethereum blockchain, meaning that any on-chain Nexo transactions are validated and secured by the Ethereum mainnet using its Ethash proof-of-work consensus algorithm. At the end of 2020, Nexo launched a $12 million buyback program. This means Nexo will use its cash resources to repurchase up to $12 million worth of native Nexo tokens on an open market principle. This will likely take several months, and most importantly, it will help increase the price of the Nexo token. Nexo also announced that a Nexo tokens governance vote is coming soon. This means Nexo token holders will have the final say in decisions about the platform development and management of their finances. As you can understand, the Nexonomics of this crypto asset make me very positive about its future. I believe the Nexo savings wallet is a great opportunity. So if you are interested, please use the affiliate link in the pinned comment down below. It helps me move up my position in the waitlist for the Nexo card. As soon as I receive it and test it out, I will make a review. If you want to see more videos on how to earn passive income, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, have a great day, see you next time.
You may call it crypto fever, but I am from Satoshi clan. The sooner you join us, the banking world will be as one.